I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a question on exponents. We need to solve these equations. First equation is 4 to the power of x equals to 1 over 256. The second one is x to the power of minus 2 is 1 over 81, and c is x squared to the power of 3 is 64, and that's the first one, right? You can pause the video, answer these questions, and then look into my suggestion. The idea here is to write the numbers with the same base, right? So first one, we could always write this as 4 to the power of x is equals to, we have to figure out 1 over 256 could be written as 4 to the power of what? So if you really don't know, you can do trial and error. That means 4 to the power of, let's say 4 is what? 256. So we know now that 1 over, I could write 256 as 4 to the power of 4, right? Now 1 over 4 could be written as 4 to the power of minus 4. So we have 4 to the power of x equals to 4 to the power of minus 4. Now since the base is same, you can compare the exponents and we get x equals to minus 4 as our answer. Perfect. Let's do the next one. So here we have x minus square. Now we need to find what, if we can match the exponents, then we can know base should be same. That's the whole idea. 81 is 9 square, so we could write this as 1 over 9 square, and that could be written as 9 to the power of minus 2. So we have x to the power of minus 2 as 9 to the power of minus 2. So that means that x should be equals to 9, correct? So that is one way of solving this particular question, right? Now there is an alternate way also. That is to say, what we can do here is x square, x to the power of minus 2 is 1 over 81. So that means x square will be equals to 81. Now square of x is 81, then x has to be square root of 81. You get the idea. 1 x to the power of minus 2 square really means we are writing this as 1 over x square. You could do like this also. And then say x square is equals to 81. And x should be square root of 81. Now remember one thing. Whenever you square root, at that time, you have possibility of two answers, right? So both are possible answers for you. So in this case, we should get plus minus 9 as the answer, right? So remember this part, whenever you're doing squares, then both are possible and both are correct answers if we are not given any restrictions, right? So in this particular case, I should write 9 and also minus 9 as my solution, right? So remember this part. Now we'll apply the same strategy here. So this time what we are going to do is, we'll say x square is equals to cube root of 64. Do you understand? So this is what we have done here. We equated x square to 81, then did square root. When we did square root, we have to take plus and minus. Since minus 9 square was also 81. In this case, cube root, right? Now, cube root of 64 is 4. So we get 4 here. So x square equals to 4. And now what is x equals to? X is equals to square root of 4. And whenever you do square root, just as we did here, you have to take both plus and minus signs, right? So there are two possible solutions here, plus and minus 2. So in these parts, B and C, we actually get two solutions, right? And both are correct solutions. So that is kind of important to understand in this particular case. So whenever you have square, then when you do square root, you should take both positive and negative values as a part of your solution. I hope that helps. Thank you.